Afternoon, guys. I just wanted to go over these notes a little bit quick here over inclined plane and wedges. There's not a whole lot that I have to add on to what's already here. Just a couple things. When we're talking about the slope, that's the distance of effort. The height, that's your distance of resistance. All right, the L over H, still distance of effort over distance of resistance. It's just titled with a little bit different things here. Earlier today, Isaiah was asking, sorry guys, 2:18, I'm kind of getting close here, but we're good, I got this. But anyway, earlier today Isaiah was asking about the ratio. You see the ratio here says 3.8 to 1. You don't have to have this as an answer. If you just put your answer here as 3.75, that's all you need to do. All right, and so you don't have to change it to a ratio. It's not that big a deal. All right, and then efficiency, AMA over IMA. Okay, so 2.5 over 3.75, we got 67%. Okay, so just a reminder, efficiency is AMA over IMA. All right, always AMA over IMA. In terms of wedges, one little thing that's different here that you'll notice is that you see forces going in two different directions, but still the same force. All right, this isn't 1,400 pounds of force. This is still just 700 pounds of force. It's just that that wedge is splitting it, and it's creating that force going out, that same force going out both ways. All right, and so here again, note the little difference with the wedge is that this is perpendicular to the height. In the inclined plane, it's not. It's just the slope. Where are we at? There we go. This is the slope. It's not perpendicular to the height. But with the wedge, the distance is perpendicular to the height. That's what this little upside down T is. All right, so just a reminder here about that ratio for you. Okay, and I think that's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot else to add on to this, so pretty short video here, but that's what you guys need to know. A little extra information on wedges and inclined planes.